Guys, good morning, good morning. Ito na tayo guys. Ikot muna tayo guys. Check muna tayo ng Check muna tayo ng equipment guys. Kasi mag-testing tayo ngayon ng guys, ng fire protection guys. Testingin natin yung fire pump guys, fire pump. Every yun guys. Every Saturday. Every Saturday natin yan din-testing guys. Para makita natin kung maganda pa yung niya. Maganda pa yung operate. Ang kanyang operation. Kaya every week natin yan tinitesting guys. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa loob guys. Oh. Ito yung testing natin guys, yung aming ang aming fire pump. Alright guys. Thank you guys, thank you for watching guys. See you next video guys. Bye bye.